Sodijo med najbolj popularne in uspešne skupine iz živahne newyorške glasbene scene. So glasbeniki, ki so poznani po nekoliko nenavadnem avant-groove stilu in so tudi prijetni gospodje, ki vztrajajo skupaj že dobri 2 desetletji. Vse to je trio Medeski Martin Wood, ki so v okviru evropske turneje obiskali tudi mariborski festival Lent.
We've been playing together for 21 years. When we meet the audience, we know what to play. It's like, we know the right thing to play when we feel the room. But we're playing music from Free Magic, which is a new record, and all of our records. Many different things. It's different every night.
Well, we draw from so many different styles, from jazz, blues, gospel, all kinds of roots American music. But we also love, roots music from all over the world, like African folk music, from Brazil, everywhere. So we listen to all those things and, create our own style.
I have a lot of different kids. Each one has a different sound, and each one is, I like to think of it as each one is a different one of my many personalities. So I get to be all these different people and different sounds. And also, for us, that we don't have to hire other people to play with us. It's a lot cheaper just to have 3 guys out, So by having these different sounds, we don't have to hire, another rhythm player or something else. We don't have to hire an extra percussionist. We don't have to hire, it's good.
He's like 3 in 1. It's a little crazy, but 3 people in 1 person.
In takšna je tudi njihova glasba, kjer se skozi improvizacijo mojstrsko dopolnjujejo in prepletajo 3 različne osebnosti gospodov Medeskega, Martina in Wooda.